Hey, what's going on, guys? Tony Hannity's here with Lazy Tech TV, and today we're going to talk about the Speck Luggage Tag Pro for your Apple AirTags. I've used this at least twice. As far as the AirTag aspect of it goes, it does exactly what you expect it to do. If you want to watch a review on that, plenty of YouTube videos that you can go see. I don't know what I'm pointing to over here, just imagine there are videos that are recommended for AirTag reviews. With regards to the Luggage Tag Pro, however, it's a nice looking piece of kit. It's extremely durable. Black goes with everything. It has a magnet, so it completely keeps the tag in place so it doesn't fall out. And to ensure that, the strap will also feed through itself for a nice closed noose, and thusly the tag will stay in place. Or at least, theoretically, the tag will stay in place. There's not a lot to say when it comes to an AirTag holder review, so I'll just go ahead and say it. There's a lot of issues with this. I like Speck as a brand. They're not paying me to say this at all, but I will say this. When it comes to this particular product, there are a few things that fall short. First off, the magnet isn't strong enough. Second off, although that you're creating a noose with the strap can easily come open, and the magnets can easily drop the tag. And then when you're strapping this around your handle of your luggage or whatever, this opening, it's not enough slack. I don't know how else to say this. I had 2 to 3 pieces of luggage that I had so many issues getting this in on itself so it would stay on the piece of luggage. And finally, when I figured out which piece of luggage would allow this to fit with the amount of slack that's on here, it was not really the best placement for it. So I don't know what the solution would be, if they would to give you more slack or what, but I just had a number of complaints personally when it came to this particular product. So in closing, would I recommend it? Not really. If you really need an AirTag holder for your luggage, there's plenty of other options out there. Even Speck themselves have some other AirTag accessory options that would probably do a little bit better. But for the Luggage Pro, I'm gonna give it a miss. Sorry. But if you have any other questions or comments, please leave that in the comment section down below. Links, as always, can be found in the description below. Make sure you're following us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all those things. And here on YouTube, we actually stream at least twice a week if my schedule allows me to. So make sure you're following us on the Discord for those announcements as well too. So you guys have a good one, and we'll see you in the next video. Later. Hi.